Hey beauties, welcome back to the True Glory Hair channel. My name is Jasmine and today I'm showing you how to go from this to this. You see it, it's cute, it's effortless, and this entire look took me less than 10 minutes. I'm going to show you guys how to get this look using the True Glory headband wig. And the wig that I'll be installing today is the Virgin Brazilian Body Wave headband wig. They do have different hair textures, but this is the one I'm using today. And y'all, look at how shiny and silky this wig is. I absolutely love the texture of this hair. It literally glides through your fingers. It has the headband and it has clips to make sure that that wig is going to stay on your head. And then the headband is together with a very secure Velcro piece. So first things first, we have to prep our natural hair. So I'm just going to take a brush and just brush out all those knots and little rats and kinks and all that to make sure that when I braid this hair down, it will be nice and flat. So once our hair is knot free, we're going to be taking just a little bit of water and I'm just spraying the top of my hair. If you have different hair texture than me, this might not be necessary, but for me, water helps to slick my hair down. So I'm just taking a hard brush and brushing my hair down so that it will be nice and flat under that headband wig. Now this is the part where you could do a various of different, I guess, layouts for your braids that will be underneath. I am doing 2 plaits on each side of my head in this video, but I also did it with just 1 braid in the back. You could also do like cornrows down your back. Whatever you feel comfortable with, you can go ahead and do. That's one of the great things about this headband wig is that it's so versatile and it's not like you have to do or follow a certain plan to get that look. And once my hair is slicked back, I'm just going to go ahead and pop that headband wig on. So first I'm starting with the middle clip and I'm just kind of placing that where I want the wig to sit. However far back you want your headband, you can determine that on your own. It doesn't have to go in a specific spot. I know some people like their headbands to sit back a little further on their head. Some people like them a little bit more towards the front of your head. That is the versatility with this wig, is you can do whatever you would like, whatever you would please, whatever suits you best. And then after I went ahead and put those clips on the top, I just Velcroed the headband on the nape of my neck and voila, the wig is on. So now you know we got to do some baby hairs. We got to do that real quick. You know, we got to swoop the edges. So I'm just taking some edge control and just swooping my baby hairs down. So it gives it more of that natural effect. Like y'all would think I just put a headband on my natural hair, but I didn't. It's a wig, y'all. It's a wig. Now my favorite part, we're taking a bottle of water, just a regular spray bottle, and I'm just going to wet the hair. I personally love how this hair looks wet and with gel and mousse in it. It looks so pretty. The curl pattern on this is literally gorgeous. Of course, you could straighten this hair if you'd like. You could curl it, you could crimp it, you could do whatever you want. But the style I chose today was to just add some water and some mousse, and I'm good to go. So I'm just going to stand up because I want to show you guys the texture of this hair. Look at this curl pattern. It is literally gorgeous. It's like I just got out of the ocean, you know, vibes. I just got out the shower. It's so pretty. So now you just see me applying some mousse to the hair, and that's just so that the curls are nice and sleek. They don't have like a lot of like frizz or anything. Like with any curly hair, you want to do this. So I'm just applying that on so that those curls are nice and fresh all day long. Now to the fun part, we're going to decide which headband we're wearing. So I have a few different headbands here that I'm going to try on, and you literally just pop them on over the black headband that is already a part of the wig, and you will not see it whatsoever, not only because it's black, but because it is a nice perfect size that any headband will cover this up. So I decided to go with this little pearl one. I feel like it was cute, you know. Now we're moving on to finishing our makeup. So I'm going to apply these Mink lashes, and these are in the style Lavish. Y'all, these make my eye shape look so pretty. Honestly, I'm going to need about like 10 or 20 more pairs of these because they are literally So gorgeous. They honestly look like lash extensions, which I absolutely love because I cannot sit all day and get lash extensions, but these Lavish Mink lash strips give me the look, girl, and they take 2 seconds to put on. So if y'all are gonna check out anything from this video, make sure it's these lashes. Look at them. And then last but not least, we are going to be applying some lip gloss, and this is the True Beauty Lip Lacquer in the shade Luxury. I love this color. It's such like a pretty nude pink, and you guys, that is the final look. I told y'all it would be so easy to complete this look. I'm telling y'all, this took probably less than 10 minutes to do. So definitely check out True Glory Hair for all of your beauty needs, whether that's hair, mink lashes, or lip glosses. True Glory got you covered, girl. Check out the link in the description box below. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed getting ready with me. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.